Hello and good morning to everyone. So today once again I am welcoming you all to our Standard 10 Polynomial chapter discussion. And yesterday we have already done the exercise 2.2 question number 1, and the question number 1 which was dealt with that how to find out the zero of the quadratic polynomial. Also then after getting the quadratic polynomial zero of the quadratic polynomial, how to do the verification whether the zero of the quadratic polynomial does it holds the relationship with the coefficient of the quadratic polynomial or not. So today the question number 2, it is of different varieties, okay, and in the question number 2 it is asked that you just have to find out the quadratic polynomial. It means quadratic polynomial you just have to find out whenever the sum of the zeros are given, also the product of zero is also given. So it means in the question number 2, sum of the zero given and also the product of the zero it is given, and you need to find out the quadratic polynomial. It is your how much. Understood and not understood? So first question I am doing the discussion. This question it is very easy. Question number 2, it is very easy. Many times comes in the exam. This question I will show you in the two ways, and both the ways are very easy. Okay, so first I am showing you one way, then after I will show to you the shortcut way, how within a second you can find out the polynomial. It will be your how much. Is it okay? So here it is given that the sum of the zeros is 1 by 4. Sum of the zeros it is 1 by 4 and the product of the zeros it is -1. You just have to formulate the quadratic polynomial. Actually the quadratic polynomial means standard form it is our ax square plus bx plus c. Important one I am saying, to get the quadratic polynomial, actually I want to find out the a, I want to find out the b, also I want to find out the c. If at any cost I can find out a, b and c, then after our quadratic polynomial it is ready. Ready? So it means the sum of the two zeros it is given that 1 by 4. Actually sum of the two zeros formula says sum of the two zero it is also same as minus b by a. So this one it is minus b by a. So minus b by a it is equal to 1 by 4. And the product of the zeros it is given that -1. So product of the zeros means c by a. So it means c by a it is our -1 by 1. Sum equal to 1 by 4 and product equal to -1. See, in both the case minus b by a and there it is c by a, in both the fraction, otherwise both the rational number, a is the denominator. In both the rational number minus b by a, otherwise c by a, in both the case a it is the denominator. Okay, so let me to check the denominator it is how much really. Minus b by a means there the denominator it is 4. 1 by 4 means a is matching with 4 parts. C by a means -1 means -1 divided by 1. There a means 1 part, but here it is 1, it is a is matching with 4 parts. Left side a is matching with 4, here it is a is matching with the 1. So for which ABC we cannot detect it in this step. So first in the both the rational number a should be same denominator, we must have to equate. How to equate the denominator? Everyone see, here in the left side the denominator it is 4, on the right side the denominator it is 1. So their LCM it is 4. LCM it is 4. So it means left side no need to change, but right side 1 I need to convert it into 4. So to convert it into 4, the denominator should be multiplied with the 4, also the numerator should be multiplied with 4. So for which c by a it was previously 1 by 1, which 1 now converted it into -4 divided by 4. Okay, both are equivalent because -1 by 1 it is also same as the -4 by 4. Both are the equivalent rational number. Okay, see now 1 by 4 this one and right side becomes -4 by 4. See both the sides a it is our 4 parts. Both the sides a it is our 4 parts. So our formula says whenever a in both the cases a are same, otherwise matching with the same number of parts. Here it is 4, here it is 4. Then after which one it is B is matching with which one, you have to say the B is how much and C is matching with which one, that one it is the value of the C. So for which first I have to consider A is equal to 4. First I am taking it as the A is equal to 4. It means which one it is the common denominator, that one you just have to choose it as the value of the A. So whenever A is equal to 4, at the same time B is matching with, actually minus B is matching with 1. So minus B equal to 1, it means B equal to minus 1. So for which I am writing minus B is equal to 1, it implies B is equal to minus 1. Ready? And then after on the right side C is matching with minus 4. So for which the value of the C, it is our minus 4. Okay. Okay, understood or not understood? So for which here by comparison we got A is equal to 4, B is equal to minus 1 and C is equal to minus 4. So then after our standard form of the quadratic polynomial, it is ax square plus bx plus c. So directly you need to put the value of the ABC. So one can put it as the value of the A, it is 4x square minus x minus 1. So this one, it is our required polynomial. Suppose anyone wants to formulate another polynomial, directly you just have to multiply another constant with that polynomial. You can multiply 2 multiplying 2 4 ja 8x square, 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2x, then after minus 8. Any number you can multiply with that polynomial, whatever the polynomial you will get, also that polynomial also will satisfy the sum, this sum 1 by 4 and also product it is also minus 1. Okay, and now you just have to remember the shortcut formula. Whenever the sum of the zeros given and also the product of the zero it is given, the quadratic polynomial can be obtained by the easy formula. That one, it is constant k whole into within the bracket x square minus alpha plus beta whole into x plus alpha into beta. So that one, it is the direct formula. So for which the same formula, by the same formula, how we have to find out the another polynomial. Let's see. So according to the formula says that the quadratic polynomial we can get by the formula k whole into x square minus alpha plus beta whole into x plus alpha into beta. So for which I am putting the value of the alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in the polynomial. So which becomes k, I am putting it as the 1. Next step also you can put it as the 2, also you can put it as the 3. So it means infinite many polynomial you can obtain. Okay, so for which first I am choosing it as the 1. K is 1, so for which the polynomial I will obtain it equal to x square minus alpha plus beta means minus 1 by 4x minus 1. Okay, both have the different polynomial you are getting. Suppose you want to get the same polynomial, in place of the constant, if you will put it as the 4, then after the same polynomial also you can find out. Understood or not understood? Then after, just like we have done the question number I, in the same way we just have to proceed towards the question number II. In the question number II, it is given that the sum of the two zero is root 2 and the product of the two zero it is 1 by 3. It means alpha plus beta, it is our root 2 and alpha into beta, it is our 1 by 3. Actually alpha plus beta equal to root 2 means minus b by a, it is our root 2. Root 2 means root 2 divided by 1. Here the denominator it is 1 and the another side c by a, product it is 1 by 3. It means c by a, it is our 1 by 3. So there the a value, it is denominator, it is matching with denominator, it is our 3. So here right side denominator it is 3 and the left side the denominator it is 1. So first formula is we must have to equate the same denominator. How to equate? First you have to find out the LCM of 1 and 3. LCM of 1 and 3, it is our 3. So right side denominator it is already 3. So left side you have to convert to its equivalent fraction such that the denominator it becomes 3. So for which root 2 means root 2 by 1. So for which 3 I am multiplying with the numerator also with the denominator. Now minus b by a becomes 3 root 2 divided by 3 and right side c by a, it is already 1 by 3. So now root 2 converted it into 3 root 2 divided by 3 and c by a, it is converted it into 1 by 3. Why I converted? To equate the denominator. Now the denominator already equated. So in which step you are getting the denominators are same of the minus b by a and c by a denominators are same. Then after by comparing you just have to find out the value of a, value of the b and value of the c. So in this step as b both are matching, 3 matching. So for which a it is our 3. As a it is matching. So for which a it is our 3. Then after upper one it is our minus b is equal to 3 root 2. So b is equal to minus 3 root 2. Ready? So for which numerator whenever I am comparing minus b equal to 3 root 2. So there minus b equal to 3 root 2. So for which b is equal to minus 3 root 2. Be ready? Then after from the right side c is matching with 1. A is matching with 3. So for which c is matching with 1. So for which a I got it as the 3. B I got it as the minus 3 root 2 and C I got it as the 1. After getting all these, so it means directly I have to put it the value in the standard form of our quadratic polynomial. Our standard form of the quadratic polynomial it is ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to a means 3. So for which 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus c means plus 1. Also the same question I will show you in the another easy formula. That easy formula says quadratic polynomial we can find out by the formula k whole into x square minus alpha plus beta whole into x plus alpha into beta. Okay, so I am choosing k it as the 1. Also you can choose 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number you can choose. Okay, so by taking k it as the 1, so here x square I am writing x square minus alpha plus beta means minus root 2 into x plus alpha into beta means plus 1 by 3. Ready? So the quadratic polynomial it is x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3. Both the quadratic polynomials are correct answer. Understood? Then after the question number 3, and in the question number 3 it is given sum of the two zeros it is equal to 0 and the product of the two zeros it is root over of 5. Sum of the two zero means minus b by a it is our 0. 0 means 0 by 1. Here a is matching with the denominator 1, remember? Okay, and there it is c by a, alpha into beta means alpha into beta equal to root 5. It means c by a, product of the two zero means c by a, which is equal to c by a, it is our root over of 5 means root over of 5 divided by 1. Here it is 0 by 1, here it is 5 by 1. Denominator both are same. 1 1, no need to find it once again the equivalent fraction. Directly the denominators are equal. So on getting the denominators are equal, directly you have to compare and you have to say me the value of the a, b, c. Denominator in both the cases are 1, so for which a is equal to 1. Here minus b matching with 0, so for which b is matching with minus will go to the right side, minus 0 means 0. And c it is your matching with, a is matching with 1, so numerator c is matching with root over of 5. So for which c value it is our root over of 5. So directly put in the standard form of the quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c, it becomes a means our 1. It means 1 into x square equal to x square. Plus b means b it is our 0. So bx means 0 into x. And plus c means plus root over of 5. So which means our quadratic polynomial it becomes x square plus root over of 5. Also the same question you can do in the another shortcut trick also, but that question I am not in that way I am not doing, I am leaving it for you. Okay, then after the question number IV, in the question number IV it is given that the sum of the two zero it is 1. Sum of the two zero it is 1 means you just have to remember minus b by a it is our 1. Denominator it is 1 means 1 by 1. Then after product of the two zero it is 1. Product of the two zero it is 1. 1 means 1 by 1. Okay. So sum of the two zero means minus b by a it is our 1. Minus b by a it is our 1 by 1. And there it is alpha into beta equal to 1. It means c by a it is our 1 by 1. In both the cases the denominators are same, it has the 1. The denominator same, it has the 1. So it means a it is our 1. It means a it is our 1. So then after which one it is matching with the b? Upper one b minus b is matching with 1. So it means b value it will be minus 1. B value it will be minus 1. Okay, and right side C is matching with the 1. Right side C is matching with the 1. So here I got it as the A it is equal to 1, B it is equal to minus 1, and C is equal to 1. So for which in the standard form directly I am putting the answer. Okay, ax square means 1 into x square, and bx means minus 1 into x, which is equal to minus x, and c means plus 1. So for which x square minus x plus 1, it is our required quadratic polynomial. Also the same question also can be done in the another alternative way also. Okay, then after question number B I am showing in the question number B in the question number B, here it is given that the sum of the two zero it is our minus 1 by 4, and also the product of the two zero it is our 1 by 4. Here it is already the denominators are same. In that way also you can do, but I am doing it in the shortcut way. One question I am doing in the shortcut way, another question I will do in the another way, fast way. So here it is the formula says that the k whole into x square plus minus alpha plus beta whole into x plus alpha into beta. So for which k I am choosing it as the 1, suppose. After choosing k is equal to 1, so then after it becomes x square minus alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta it is our minus 1 by 4. So for which it becomes plus 1 by 4x, and product of the two zero it is alpha into beta, it is our 1 by 4. So the quadratic polynomial becomes x square plus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4. Ready? Also the same question you can do in the fast way also. Okay, then after the question number VI. Okay, so in the VI question it is given that the sum of the two zero it is 4. The sum of the two zero it is 4, and the product of the two zero it is 1. So here in both the cases sum of the two zero means minus b by a equal to 4. 4 means 4 by 1. Denominator it is 1. Then after c by a, product of the two zero means 1, which is equal to your product of the two zeros, which is equal to c by a. So c by a it is also 1 means 1 by 1. So here it is 4 by 1, here it is 1 by 1. So here the denominator both are matching, means a matching 1 1. So as a it is equal to 1, so b is matching with whom? Minus b, means numerator matching with 4. So it means minus b is equal to 4. It means b it is our minus 4. Minus b is equal to 4. It means b it is our minus 4. Then after c is matching with 1. C is matching with 1. So a I got it as the 1, b I got it as the minus 4, and c I got it as the 1. So directly put it in the standard form of the quadratic polynomial, which is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. It gives us a means 1, for which x square, b means minus 4, for which it becomes minus 4x, and c is equal to 1, for which plus 1. So the quadratic polynomial becomes x square minus 4x plus 1. I hope this one you understood well. Okay, so these are all questions you have to do practice in your CW copy in the two ways. Okay, which one you feel comfort, in that way you just have to do. Okay, thank you. Have a beautiful day ahead.